It's on. Wait, it's not. There we go. Okay, it's on.
He's all bald in his area.
Why are you looking there?
Because it sticks out. He's sleeping. Because he thinks it's still on, Amanda. He thinks it's still there. Better idea. 1, 2, 3. No, Buster, stay there.
Don't kill him!
Oh.
Fall off the bed, fall off the bed. Fall off the bed. Fall off the bed.
Buster, get back.
Just kidding.
Back. Back.
Nobody, no!
What?
I thought he was gonna... I thought he was gonna run! Look at his butt. That's disgusting, his butt's bleeding! Ew, he chews his bald spot. That's disgusting. No, don't. It's funny.
His butt's bleeding.
Just go tell Mom. Don't make him go. Cause look, he's just chilling. Ah! Okay, bye.